Wolves.
So,
So the guild's name is Steel Wolves, right? So are you gonna eat pizza again today? No. Well, tell something about the Steel Wolves.
Steel was founded way back 1996 by our founder, John Vincent Filio, and he's from UK or from Bacolod, and now staying in UK.
How many members already?
We have almost 3,000 with
Wow.
over many different kinds of games.
Wow.
Like CSGO, Ragnarok 2, Ragnarok Mobile, Dota 2, Mobile Legends, and other online games.
Let's talk about Ragnarok, your character.
My character is basically a knight. I'm one of the guild knight breakers.
Level.
Max level, of course.
Wow. How about you?
Wizard.
Wizard. Level.
Maximum level.
Oh, nice. So, why do you guys love Ragnarok?
Basically, when I was still a
Very little boy?
very little, when I was a kid, I was invited by my uncle and cousins to play Ragnarok. Way
Yun.
back 2005,
Wow. I think Ragnarok started around 2003,
2003.
right?
Yep.
So, 2 years late. Okay, how about you?
I think what I enjoy most about Ragnarok is the community.
The community.
Because, it's one of the first games to have multimedia online RPG. Because back then you can only play with your colleagues on the computer shop and
Mhm.
games. So it's one of the first games to let you play guys online. So
Yes. And now Ragnarok is back. Are you excited, guys?
Yeah, really excited, waiting for the relaunch.
Yes.
That's why
Okay.
we're here.
Oh, yung last thing, shout out we're on What's Up Pilipinas, okay? So yung shout out natin is What's Up Pilipinas? Okay, 1, 2, 3.
What's up, Pilipinas?
Yo, picture guys. 1, 2, 3. Nice.